Behold Barochan, a historic Remuera mansion reborn. Built in 1916 and masterfully extended in 1930, this grand residence has undergone a remarkable transformation from 2017 to 2022, bringing it to the highest standards of modern living. Imagine sitting on the doorstep of history, nestled at the base of Mount Hobson, the highest point of Remuera's Golden Mile. Barochan boasts a glorious wide street presence, a true landmark on this prestigious avenue. Spanning a generous 1,000 square metres, the home occupies 3 sun-drenched north-facing sides, offering panoramic views that encompass the sea, gulf, harbour and city itself. Picture waking up to this breathtaking vista every morning, a constant reminder of the beauty that surrounds you. The recent restoration is a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship involved. The focus was on enhancing the home's original grandeur while incorporating modern amenities. The vast layout ensures ample space for family and entertaining, while the spectacular views take centre stage throughout the residence. Original natural materials have been meticulously preserved, creating a timeless character that blends seamlessly with the modern upgrades. This is not your typical high-end home. Barochan goes beyond aesthetics, offering unparalleled comfort and privacy. Imagine living in a soundproof haven thanks to advanced acoustic engineering. In addition to a German-designed air and humidity control system, it ensures a consistently comfortable environment. Beneath the surface lies a sturdy foundation of new and old steel and stone, a testament to the home's enduring strength. Owning a brand new luxury home in Remuera can be a dream, but it often requires years of construction and disruption. At Barochan, the hard work is already done. The passionate restoration has created a masterpiece that awaits your arrival. The current owners, while reluctantly leaving, offer you a chance to own a piece of New Zealand's history and create your own memories within these grand walls. Will Barochan be your legacy?